Hey guys, this is Patricia with Rooted in Faith, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing, a short video. Hopefully my hair doesn't look too bad, does it? Hi. As you know, I'm recovering from injury, so I'm still in my PJs. Sorry about that. Hi everybody, how you doing? So I have been missing doing something for a lot. I'm a health nut Christian and a Christian. Not a health nut Christian, but I'm a health nut and a Christian. And I had ordered something because I usually have done kombucha for many years, even before kombucha was popular in the stores. I did it 30 something years, maybe longer, back before they did the second ferments. Well, anyway, my SCOBY, which is what ferments the kombucha, had died on me. And for I guess the past year, I just been stuck with just doing my milk-kefir and my sourdough breads and stuff like that. But I really missed kombucha. And while I was waiting, and we've been getting these drinks, these Olippops, and they're very good, and there's really nothing wrong with them. They do have a little bit more sugar, but they're a probiotic drink, and there's a lot of probiotic drinks in stores. But they're like $2 and something, $3 a can, and if you're like me, you like to drink them every day, they can get a little pricey. So I had decided to, and I had bought another SCOBY from another place online, and tried several times. They sent me a replacement SCOBY, and so from the recommendation of somebody else, I decided to use Kombucha Shop. The Kombucha Shop. This is an unboxing. This came in a box, but I decided to break it down because I just got it, and it's a gallon glass jar. It's from the Kombucha Shop, and I'll put that link down below. It comes in a box, but this is the main box. I took everything out except they do give you a brewing instructions, which I've done kombucha many years, so I might glance at it, but if you've done it before, you don't really have to go. You have your own thing you do. But what I like about it is they give you some recipes, second ferments, and a booklet. That's what they give you in the box. They also give you a temperature thing you can stick on your jar, a writing thing, because on the glass jar, I don't know if you can see, there's lines here where it's a glass marker, and you can write the brew date, the brew ID, and the tea used. And I usually have before used a combination of organic black tea and organic green tea. And also, let's see what else. They got the little piping thing, and they got some, some little pH test strips. A lot of people like the TH, the acidity. I've never really used it before. But it's got the numbers too and the color coordination up here on the top on your test strips. You can use it for other things. You don't have to use it for the kombucha. So keeping that, it comes like so with the glass jar. Comes with a lid. Comes with the tea blend and a cloth tea bag, which I put the tea blend already in the tea bag with a string. It comes with the organic cane sugar, which is glad because I don't have any organic cane sugar on hand, and I want to get this started today. And it comes with a 15% off from the Kombucha Shop store. So if you like the tea blend and you want to order other supplies, it gives you that little 15% off, which you could use, which I'm keeping. They also give you the original Kombucha SCOBY with the starter. I don't know if you can see the starter floating around in there. I'm going to brew the tea first. I'm going to put it in my pan around to my stove, which is this pan here, which is stainless steel. I'm fixing to turn the water on and get it hot. I'm going to pour it in my glass jar and then put my tea bag in there and let it sit and seat. Then I'm going to add my sugar, make sure it's still warm, add my sugar, let that melt. And then when it's cool to the touch or room temperature, is when you add your SCOBY and your starter liquid. I'm going to use all the starter. Everything that's in this bag is going in that jar. I'm going to put a cloth. Oh, that's another thing they give you. If I can find it. Where did I do with it? Anyway, there's a cloth right here. They give you, because you don't want to put that lid on the jar when you're letting it sit for like 7 days till it ferments to do your second ferment. This will go over the top. And you have a rubber band to keep fruit flies, insects out of your drink while you're letting it sit on your counter. But everything's in there. and I'm excited to try it. I'm ready to get started because I'm really missing my kombucha. It's so healthy. It's so good for you. Research kombucha. I will come back maybe and do an update on the finished product after maybe even I second ferment, because I usually use an organic grape juice. That's my favorite because grape juice has a lot of benefits to it, and I use 100% natural grape juice. A lot of people put fruits and juices and herbs and stuff in their kombucha. I'm sort of, when I like something, I'm sort of sticking them. You know, I don't have to do all that. To me, it's a little bit more time consuming. I'd rather just stick with what I know. And I use secondhand kombucha bottles that I get from the store. You could keep those to ferment your second ferment in. You don't have to buy the flip top. I've done flip top bottles before, and sometimes they can explode. The like Synergy or the other kombucha bottles you buy in the store the glass is made for fermentation, so you can still burp them or turn the lid. You don't want it to sit too long. Builds up carbonation. So, but to me, I've never had anything explode with the Synergy or the reusable kombucha bottles, glass bottles that you buy in the store, not the cans with the glass bottles. So anyway, I just wanted that unboxing, and I'm very, very excited. I will put the link to where I got the starter kit for, because you don't have to go out, you don't have to worry about if you don't have the right stuff, especially if you're just starting out or your kombucha, your SCOBY dies and you're gonna start all over from the beginning again. This is a great kit to have. It's a great homeschool tool to get your kids to learn how to do something new, because it has everything in there. In fact, I was referred to this from another lady on YouTube that does homeschool, that has young children, and she's doing it with her children, starting them out how to learn how to make kombucha. And you could ferment, you could second ferment, like I said, with any dried fruit or herb. Well, not ever, but you know, citrusy, you have to be careful with that. But research it. And not an expert, just been doing it for a lot of years. And I just want to get started back into drinking, a lot of health benefits to it. And I'm excited. So, God bless you. Until next time, okay? Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Watch my other videos, please. I'm trying to get, I hope that I help somebody provide value with some of these products and things that I do. So I hope it helps you. And if it's, you know, just share it, like it, comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Really helps my channel out. Helps me out, I guess. Lets me know that I'm not spinning my wheels, you know, sharing things that, you know, it's just me. I'm very laid back. I'm just me, Patricia. Rooted in faith. God bless you. Until next time, and I'll talk to you later.